Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an intro for YouTube or Twitch or any other platform that you're working on. How to make an intro for yourself. So this video, you won't be wasting a single penny, so you can make your intro for free without downloading any external software or editing anything. So all you're gonna want to do is just follow what I'm saying and you will be done. Okay, so that intro that you just saw was also made the same way that I'm gonna show you guys. So just follow up to get great intros like that. So first up, you're gonna want to open up Chrome or any other browser that you have, and then Control and then paste the link that I have sent you down below. Now if I don't have a link down below, you can just search up Panzoid. So once you've searched Panzoid, you're gonna go over to panzoid.com, and here you're gonna go over to Clipmaker, or you can just go here, Clipmaker, and here you're gonna search different clips. So here, if you don't find your favorite clips, over to and yeah, here you have a lot of clips. So I'll probably have a link, this link to the description. Paste Control-C and Control-V. So here I'm gonna find an intro that I really like. So I guess I like this thumbnail, I guess. And then I'm gonna open this clip in Clipmaker. So once in Clipmaker, you have to do a little bit of work, but just a little. And so you're gonna want, and this is gonna and then you can see your video. Instead of a 3D model, you can see the main 2D version of it. Okay, I didn't like that intro that much because it was way too bass boosted. So I'm gonna select new intro that I really like with a lot of layers and texture. I like this one. So you could keep going on like this for a long time because there are a lot of make. So you could just keep going on and never find the intro you like. So I recommend just playing around with 3 or 4 intros and then finding the best one. So let's just look at this intro.
Easy come, easy go. Easy come.
Okay, so I liked that one a bit, but it was absolutely horrible if I was playing it in the middle of my videos, but nobody really cares. So let's just go around to the next few steps. You're gonna want to click on this 3 lines, and then you're gonna want to go over to objects. In objects, you're gonna want to find text. So generally you can find group and some text or something like this with these 3 boxes. Not generally 3, you could be 2 or 4, anything like that. And here you're gonna want to change text by clicking on it. You're gonna want to change text to whatever you want. So for example, I can just change it to light. So let's just light, and then click outside the box, and that's gonna make a change. Then I'm gonna Control-C that so that I don't have to type the word light anymore. It's a time-saving process. It's a time-saving hack. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go and watch the intro once again.
Easy come, easy go.
It was okay, the video, but nobody really cares. So let's just go and follow the next few steps. So the last few steps after you made the intro look like your intro, you're gonna want to click on this icon, which is the download icon, and you're gonna wanna go to the mode section. So if you have a good GPU installed in your PC, so generally any good CPU will do. So if your CPU is absolutely horrible, then you're just gonna want to click on fastest render. And if you don't really think your GPU is as good or bad, you can just go on balanced. And if you have an RTX 3090 GPU in your PC, just click on extreme quality. Now I'm gonna go to balanced because that's what most people are gonna click on anyway. Then you're gonna want to make sure to keep your format as MKV rather than WebM, because MKV is a more preferred version and you can play it on your PC or Mac. Then you're gonna click on start video render. And what this is gonna do is, as the name sounds, it's gonna start the video rendering. And hopefully in the next 2 or 3 minutes, you should have your video completely rendered and in your file explorer in the downloads folder. So that is all you have to do, is make an intro without using any external software or downloading anything or buying or paying people to make an intro for you. So you might have to do a little bit of searching, so it would take you a maximum 5 minutes to do this entire intro. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna roll my outro now. Hope you enjoyed. I'll also leave timestamps down below, so if you want to skip forward or below, you can do that. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you found this helpful. Also, in the comment section, it would be helpful if you left a link to your channel or a link to the video where you showcased your intro, so all the viewers would know how cool it is. Although we have like 12 viewers. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.